Hello, Calc students. Welcome back. This is the chain rule. We just looked at both methods, method 1 and method 2. In my notes, I have a practice worksheet. I also sent this to you. I will have this sent to you. It's also the same worksheet in your OneNote right here. So I just have it in my notes for easy access for me. I'm going to just take a look at this. What I'm going to do is just maybe give you some helpful hints and then challenge you guys to do these problems. I actually want to see if you're doing them right before you move on. There are some times in the back part of this worksheet is double doity, where you have to take the chain rule twice. We haven't learned that yet. I'll get to that. I just want to see if you guys get some practice under your belt. So what I'm going to do is just give you some helpful hints here, and then I'll let you guys on your own. You do the first, I think there's 8 problems here. Oh, 6 problems. The first 6 problems I'll have you guys work on. And then I want to see if you're doing it right or wrong. I want you to check your answers to see if you are doing it right or wrong before we proceed on. So just to clarify a couple things. Number one, the problem number 1, I think, again, you have a radical here. I just want to be sure that you guys remember you have it, the quantity x squared plus 4 raised to the second power. It's also being the cube, it's the cube root of this. So remember, when you rewrite this as a exponent, it's always p over r, your power over your root, so p over r. And that's how I would continue with the chain rule. I would go ahead and apply the chain rule. Doity, you can use either method that you want to use. Number 2, I would rewrite this to avoid the quotient rule. And I think you guys remember what I mean by that. 5x to the 4th plus 1 raised to the -2nd, or -7. And that, once you do that, now you can see that, oh, I can apply the chain rule to this one. The only other one I want to reference is number 6, just to have you guys recall, this is sine x to the 4th. So I do feel like you should rewrite this because it makes it a little bit easier to see. I know all editors, and I even write it this way. It's a lot easier to write sine to the 4th, but I think you should rewrite it so that you can see the inside versus the outside a lot easier. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here. I want you guys to go ahead and complete the first 6 problems. I will post the answers, and I want to be able to give you guys some feedback before you guys move on to the next part of this worksheet, where you have some double doity process, double chain rule going on. Okay, I will stop right here, and I will pick up at another time.